This is today we're going to show Cookie, a bird.
You report on her, baby.
We're on the video.
Hi. I'm scared for my life. The baby's making me hold this bird.
What's you doing? Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Well, she likes to eat veggie chips. Wait, shall we show them the veggie chip part?
Sure.
Give her a veggie chip.
You get a veggie chip, baby.
No, you get it. I want you. No. Whoever wins, rock, paper, fine. I'll get the veggie chip. She's looking at me. Here, veggie chip. Okay, here's the bird. Now, whoever plays rock, paper, scissors, there's only one round, rock, paper, scissors. And whoever wins, he gets to feed this terrifying bird.
I hope I lose.
Think I need to. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
Baby, you beat me.
I have to feed the bird.
Hey, kitty.
No, Mom, I'm filming. I need to do the filming. Oh, you hear that crunch? That crispy veggie chip? No, ew, she's beating it all
Your
over.
animals will love it too.
Wait, is that the... she's...
Maybe you should have bought one for me. We could make like a commercial. Like not only will your animals love it, but your daddy will too.
Sure. Nom nom nom. Eat it.
Well, let's get a picture of him eating it.
Do it again.
Now feed it to the bird. Oh, they're sharing their veggie chips.
And everyone eats their vegetables this way.
Now eat it again because the bird eating
No
it.
way, you don't know where this bird's mouth been, baby.
You just eat it.
I know, right?
Dude, so he just feeds the bird a veggie chip and he eats the veggie chip. He's pretty crazy. And here's my mom. Stop! Stop! Mom, Liz, get away. Well, we can only say, hey! See? Okay, wait, let's leave the bird again.